Hey guys, it's Eric with Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering. Thanks for checking us out. Look at this. This is really cool. Mohawk Carpet has come out with a new line of carpeting. If you have a pet, you need Pet Premier. They say unleash the difference. This is what's cool. Check this out. The carpet, all the carpet is related to dogs and cats. It's called deferent. Get it? Fur. Get it? You know, fur. And then there's personality, like if you have a cat, you know, claws and effect. These things are great. They're Raise the Wolf. Who doesn't love Raise the Wolf? That's nuts. This stuff is awesome. This carpet is phenomenal. If your pet stains this carpet, Mohawk and I will replace it. You can't go wrong with that. Even if you don't have pets. This is what they're not talking about. I don't know why they're not talking about this. If you don't have a pet, if it puts up with cat urine, what are you going to throw at it that's going to mess it up? Coffee? Pepsi? Come on. Even your red wine won't stain this carpet. The fiber on this carpet is made from plastic water bottles. So what they do is they collect 6 billion with a B, 6 billion bottles a year are recycled just by Mohawk. Those plastic bottles are ground up into little plastic chips. Those chips are spun like cotton candy almost into carpet fiber. The fiber is then woven into this carpet that you see in front of you. It doesn't absorb moisture. Therefore, it won't absorb odors. So cat urine, dog urine, maybe your husband's urine. Well, I don't know what you have going on. It doesn't mess up the carpet. When the animal relieves itself on the carpet, it sits on top of it. Like we used to wax our cars and watch the water bead up. The urine will bead up on this. First of all, let's talk about that. Let your dog out. Let the dog go outside. You don't need pee pads all over the house. Take the dog outside. Let him pee in the neighbor's bushes. But if he does pee in the house, if there's an accident, it beads up on the surface of the carpet, on the carpet pile. It doesn't stain. And we've only been talking about, urine in mixed company, polite company. I really don't want to talk about, number 2, but that works too. If your pet, are you listening? If your pet stains it, what happens? We replace it. That's right. Very good. You guys have been paying attention. I'm going to tell you more about how this carpet is made. I'm going to show you some of those plastic bottles and chips and how it gets to where it gets. We'll do that a little bit later, so stay tuned. But thanks for tuning in, and we really appreciate it. Come down and check it out. You can come see it yourself. 361 High Street in downtown Warren. Come check it out today.